All right, guys, so we're in a blizzard right now, right? So this is for you guys who have, are having trouble building fires in the field. I know a lot of guys know how to build fires already, but some guys just don't get it. You know what I mean? So in a blizzard, in conditions like this, you got to use your head. You got to use the best available tinder and resources that you can possibly find. So around here, I was able to get a little fatwood and some birch bark and some poplar bark, okay? Now all that's been processed already. I don't want to do it in the snow, but I'm just going to build a fire in a blizzard, right? With the resources that I have available. This is fatwood. Now I'm getting chunks of fatwood now, but then I'm going to turn this into some what we call Maya dust too. Now this is going to be difficult because it's actually snowing on my tinder. So you got to use stuff that's readily flammable. It flames up with a ferro rod. All right, this is Maya dust, and I'm using the Viper Necker, built by Joshua Blankenship and Anchor & Knife Company. It has a 90-degree spine, and if you're an outdoorsman and you do a lot of this stuff and your knife does not have a 90-degree spine, you're missing out, guys, because there's so much you can do with a 90-degree spine. Woo! My hands are freezing. Whip out ferro rod on a sheath system. Now let's see what we can do here. It's going to take a little longer than normal. Alright, let me get this stuff here. Now I got this all covered up. And yeah, your hands are going to get cold. Now, fatwood is the best stuff around here. All right, let's see if that'll go. I do have a little bit of birch bark and stuff like birch bark and poplar bark here. I'm just going to kind of shove that in there. I should have put that on first, but this will light. I don't think it'll have a problem. You know, if you have to, you might have to get down there and blow on it, you know? Get down there and get that thing stoking. Now it's, you know, even with all this flame, it's still having a hard time because it's snowing like heck out here. I mean, it's really snowing hard. Little feather stick. All right, that'll go. Look, found a knife on the ground. I'm a lucky guy. These are all sheaths and knives. These are all my personal knives, most of them anyway. This one was given to me by my buddy Bob. This is an old Eck with a custom handle on it. He gave it to me for my birthday a couple years ago. Really nice knife. That's a fire in a blizzard. Corona. Now I'm gonna smoke me a cigar. Far in a blizzard. Far in a blizzard. Goody. So I think we're just going to stand out here and enjoy the fire, maybe cook some dogs. Not one of those dogs. Where's my dog? We got a little dog cooker here.
Shit.
Oh look, the fire's going out. Zach, it's your turn, man.
Yeah. Drop some snow on it. Big no-no.
Oh yeah, she's a beaut, Clark. Here's another one of my favorite knives. This is made by Tony Shiflett. This is one of his bushcrafters. That is a beautiful knife. Beautiful. And the snow-covered sheath. Yeah, you go get that started. What knives these are. Alright, so I know you guys are trying to figure out what kind of knives these are. So, man, that fire is smoky. Whew. This is the Delta Whiskey Infinity. It's my design. It's built by LT Wright. This is the Quick Hatch Trapper that Brent and Good built for me for a review. I kept this one. It's a very nice knife. Quick Hatch Trapper. This is the Little Hawk Necker. This is the Tony Shiflett Bushcrafter. This is an Eck. This is an old Eck with a custom handle and an original Eck sheath. This is the Tier 1 by Phobos. Phobos Tier 1. The other one is the Spear 2 by Wallace Edged Tools. That's the Spear 2. Really nice. All these are nice knives. All of them are. Very nice. This is the Viper Necker. That's my design. And it's built by Joshua Blankenship at the Anchor Knife Company. Viper Necker. If you're interested in the, any of these knives, just contact the makers. Brent and Good with the Trapper at Quick Hatch knives. This one, we're doing another order, the Delta Whiskey Infinity. I'm doing another order of these in a couple of months. LT Wright's not ready for me yet. And that's going to be CPM 3V. Tony Shiflett at Tribal Custom Knives. He's a very good knife maker. I'm getting ready to do a collaboration with him. Give him one of my designs to do. The Little Hawk Necker with the flip out ferro rod. This one's built by Brian Sells at English Mountain Knives. All these guys are on Facebook, guys. All of them are on Facebook. Phobos, the Tier 1. Phobos, for operators by operators. The Tier 1. That's Eric Hansen at Phobos Knives. www.phobos.com. Wallace Edged Tools, Spear 2. He does a couple of my designs too. The Delta Whiskey Backcountry, the BMF, and the LMF. Real nice. Very nice knives. It doesn't snow like this very often around here, so we're taking advantage of it. I am completely snow covered. This is my element though. I'm in my element. The dogs have their Tito sweaters on. Kiwi, what you eating? What? Oh. And the 2006 Jeep Wrangler. This thing does good in the snow. It's fun. Whew. And the fire we built in the blizzard. This is going to go down as the blizzard of 2020.
Yellow Hawk Customs Outdoors. Wilderness and military grade custom KYDEX sheaths and carry systems. We've got the badass gear for the badass outdoorsman. Yellow Hawk.